how he's doing that one-handed. Not got any goggles on either.
They're putting it right now out in the front, and they're going to come back and pick it up and grind it up. The bigger pieces he may wind up leaving, coming back and picking it up. I don't know what equipment he's got here.
Woo! There it goes.
Pretty good tree. It's also got all